I'm really sick, unfortunately, but I didn't want to miss today, so I pushed through, and I'm here because I really wanted to do this a lot. So I hope that's okay. Thank you all so much for being here. How do I get rid of delay? We had to do it with the delay, cause so the audio quality will be good. Let me see if I could show the video. Whoa. Oh my god, that's nuts. Yo, this looks like something out of a fucking movie. That looks awesome. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. Oh god. Fuck. I'm in so much pain. Fuck. Ugh. I don't know how to turn on the audio. Thank you guys so much for coming.